All right, we finally got the damn glove box out. Now we can play. Where the hell's the other flasher? There's the one. Xander's gonna play Go Fish right now.
Yay.
Yay. How much fun have you had?
Fucking nothing. None. But I found it.
Is it on the wrong side?
Yeah. And it's mounted, I think.
That's cute. Well, that's good. If you found it, put the new one in. And you know what? Let's get everything working before we put everything back together. Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Maybe.
Nice. Just be careful.
I can unplug it.
If you can unplug it.
See?
All right. You want the new? Where's the new one?
It should be on the skid plate.
Oh yeah, here we go. The sill plate.
Whatever. Same
The
thing.
skid plate. Skid plate would be like
Under the car.
under it, like a trophy truck. Okay, you got it plugged in. All right. That's promising. Chasing, because it's all supposed to be on this side, and that wasn't. All right, put it in the run. Give me a left turn. No. Give me a right turn. No. Give me a hazard. It's on the column. Column.
Yeah, I guess. Pull it or?
Yeah, you pull it.
I am.
It's not doing anything?
Yes. Oh. There.
Hey, the hazards work.
It's not blinking in the dash though.
Wait, you have them on though?
Yeah, it's a solid green light.
Okay, but it's blinking here.
What?
Now it's not. Okay, that blinked like twice and then stopped.
I don't know.
All right, so let's leave this. Let me order another type of flasher relay, and we'll put them in. So let's just kind of leave this be for right now. And at least we found both relays. Good job, Xander.
Yeah.
Did that suck?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Loved it.
Yeah, I'm sure he loved it deep down. Acts of contortionism with Xander.